Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. Today I will quickly show you how to make a 5% off up to $200 discount for a particular collection. So for this, I'm using the Next Cap and Discount app from Shopify App Store. I also attached the app link in the description. You can also install it. So once you install the app, you can open the app, create a new discount. You can give a title. I'm just giving 5 off. So I'm giving a discount code of 5 off. And the percentage is 5% and the maximum capping is 200, right? And it's applying for only for some particular collection. I'm selecting this 3-pack collection, right? Discount message is optional. When you're using automatic discount, you can give here some text, right? And there is no minimum purchase amount, so we are not setting any minimum purchase amount, and it's available for all customers. You can also combine with any of these other discounts and save the changes. Once you save, you can see the discount is active on your discount section. Now we can test the discount. So we are opening that particular collection. So this is the collection. We are opening this collection and we are trying to add this product. So I'm clicking you buy now. You can see I'm applying the discount. The discount is getting applied and it 5% off this amount. And we are increasing the cart amount and we are trying to check out. See, when you are trying to check out, you can see the discount is applied. So maximum, it's still not touched the maximum. It's because of 5%. Okay, you can see it's only applying for this one, which is having the 3-pack. These are the products which is outside of that particular collection and it's not applying that. So we can try one more thing, increasing the size of this particular, right? And now it's about 7,000. You can see the discount is maximum of 200. 5% of 7,500 is above 200. So you can see it's applying maximum of 200 only. So this is how you can make the cap and discount for a particular collection. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. I also attached the app link in the description, so you can check it out. Thank you.